Okay, March the 13th in Gaffney, 2013. Back to our old stomping ground riding trails here. Jennifer didn't have to work, so we got Jennifer here today too. Lead the way. Let you in a traditional Robinson mood. We talked to the guy when we came in today and asked him about yearly passes, and he said he may shut down up here and lose interest in it. Got several other businesses going on, but he may shut down after this year. The place is just opened in Pickens, Jocassee Gorge, temporarily closed due to the public trying to stop it up there. He's about 15 minutes from home. We're here, it's about 2 hours from home. And here we go. Set my mirror. I don't know if it's going to stay open up here or not now. It's harder and harder to find places to ride. This has been one of our favorites. A lot of technical riding in here, washouts, gullies, rocks, so forth. Compared to the gorge, which is a lot of long, deep hills and steep hills and off camber. This is all what you get used to, and this is kind of what we got used to. Jennifer pretty much learned to ride in here. So most places we go seems to be boring to her. Just come on in the main road here, off camber through here, just ride a wall. You're riding in a fire, a carnival, no problem coming around. Curious how much things have washed out since the last time we were here. Had 4 weekends in a row of heavy rain. Couldn't get in here to ride or go anywhere to ride. Tony's donut grounds. Tony didn't make it with us this week either. He's somewhere between Canada and here. Truck driver trying to get home. Today being Saturday, I talked to him yesterday and he said it'd probably be sometime tomorrow on Sunday after lunch where he gets home. So he's missing a lot of riding too. Muddy section or what? You gonna go to the muddy section first or what? We should ride in front. Oh well. There's a little creek where we come out and wash off every time. All the mud holes will fill back up with water. Don't know how deep and nasty they're going to be. So we can go in 4-wheel drive. Look, Jennifer's going around. Straddle these ruts instead of getting in them and no problem. And she's missing half the fun, huh? That was real deep. We played in it last year. This one's usually nothing, but looking pretty marshy now. Let's see what we got. Try to stay on the high side. Oh yeah. A little sideways. Jennifer went around again. Things will be a lot different here after all this rain, I imagine. This definitely is. Sure she makes it around that okay. or try to go down the middle? Let's go down the middle. What the heck? We're in here to do some mudding. Let's see what we got. Still not too bad yet. Get some plastic conduit. It's getting softer through here. Still no problem. She's coming around the high sides. Beautiful creek in here. This one I believe all the way will go around. See if we can stay on the high side again. Whoop. Nope, go around sideways again. She don't want to be filmed. We'll have to film her some in the mirror or catch her by surprise. Okay. And these mud holes are dug out very, very deep. Remember them well. Been stuck in them. I had to winch myself out of many a time. Or get winched out. This was another bad one. Yeah, they're getting deeper and deeper. That little shortcuts around are doing the same thing too, getting washed out and bad. And she found her another shortcut. Yeah, the suspension's so soft, it seems to work real well in here. Last week riding at the gorge, it's too soft. They turn it over all the time. I feel like it's going to turn over. Okay, so right behind us. Things constantly changing here from all the rain we've had. Used a lot of people riding here. Of course, today there's only 2 vehicles and 1 tent. Somebody camping. It don't look like it's been as busy of a week this week. Get her around there again. Yeah, a lot of this is flattened out actually from all the rain. Different ground to ride on. Let's see if we can straddle this washout rut. And back into the pretty creek I was talking about. Got 3 different ways you go up through here. 3 sideways there. This one Tony likes. A lot of roots on that one. Makes it real tricky. And we used to go up down here, but there's a tree down across it. Huh. Might as well the one that stabbed into my side. Let's make a new one. That's easy. Looks difficult, but it wasn't. Actually easy. Woohoo! Until you turn off this mud hole here. Little mud hole was harder than the hill. Grizzlies have got it, no problem. That's another deep mud hole right there. Stuck in a few times. really feel like getting in there and shaking and wrestling and winching right yet today. First time our GPS in here. A lot of it we've learned. We've rode in here so many times. But it'd be nice to be able to mark some waypoints, make it easier to get back to them instead of having to guess and hunt every time we come. See how this hole is going to be. Aha, a little tricky too. And she goes around. Okay, 15 or 10. Still on 10. Yeah, this one's really washed out. A little tricky on both sides. Stand up, make it a little easier to maneuver. Yeah, the grills crawls right on through. Stay low side again. Get a mud hole. Fairly fresh looking tracks. How many people's with a camping party? Camping in here today. Yeah, actually everything's a whole lot smoother in here from all the rain. Pretty amazing. Majority of the mud holes are full though. Can't remember much about this one. I'll stay on the shallow side. I think the whole thing would have been shallow. Okay, that one sinks. We can straddle through here and stay on the high sides. You sure you won't go in the front? Okay. Got a smile. I know this one gets deep. We got stuck. This one we were winching Tony out of in a video a little while back. I don't know. Go across that way or not. Jennifer's trying to find a way to go on the other side. I don't know where to go off in here and get stuck or not. Set up on 3 wheels, going low range for sure. Okay, it's all or nothing. Whoop. Ah, not bad at all. Looked like it would be. Nothing to it. Okay, she got the steep off cambered. Cut it a little bit. There you go. Straight up and down. Get out of her way where she can straddle through there. Do what? Yeah, I try to straddle the rut. Yep, just like you're coming. Yep, back that way a little. There you go. That got steep on the other side too, didn't it? Just straight up and down there. This one I thought was going to be bad and wasn't. Okay. Yeah, it's summertime, it's going to get too hot for a helmet. I'll have to come up with a different way to cord. I bought a headband set to put on top of a ball cap. That'll be good for summertime. It'll be too hot. See if we can sneak and catch in the mirror again since she don't want video. There we go. She never knew it. Okay, what's the best way through here now? Good question. I think this was the traditional route. If I'm not mistaken, I think that one dead ended. This way dead ended, didn't it? Okay. I thought we were going to get her in front of us, but it didn't work. She tricked us. Okay, the deer hunter stand. We've seen a lot of deer different places we've ridden, but you know, I don't remember ever seeing any deer here. It's not going to be dusty in here, Dave. They're going to take my glasses off. It's not dusty. I'm going to take my glasses off. Wow, I wasn't even zipped up. Lose all the goodies. This helmet's already hot. And the jacket too. I'm going to shed the jacket. Bag open, put it in there.